I'm going to present you about funnel analysis of Metrocar ride-sharing app. The objective of this project is to analyze the customer funnel of Metrocar to identify potential areas that could benefit from enhancement and optimization. To do this, the stakeholders of our company had given us different business questions, and through this presentation, I'm gonna address those business questions and give some insights and recommendations. So the first business question is about what step of the funnel should we research and improve? Are there any specific drop-off points? And to analyze that business question, we had to design uh, two granularities according to user level and the ride level. So to show specific drop-offs for user level funnel, in drop-offs can be seen in this purple bar chart, and the ride level, the specific drop-offs can be displayed in this green bar chart. And so as you can see in this funnel, uh, in user level, there are specific stages. We can see there are significant drop-offs. So in first drop-offs can be seen in the sign up stage. It is like approximately 25%. The reasons might be issues in the registration process. It might be complicated and very hard to users to understand. And also the user's guidance is not enough. And also there will be some technical issues. So as a recommendation, we should minimize these specific reasons. And another important thing is ride request. The conversion rate is some kind of uh, higher, but the drop off is like around 30%. So the reasons could be usability issues and lack of clarity in app uh, with features, and ineffective communication of the value proportions. So the recommendations would be gathering user feedback frequently and conducting usability testing. And also it is recommended to do A/B testing as well for the app. And also another important and crucial stage is ride completed. As you can see, the conversion rate is very low, and there is a significant higher drop-off point, like around 50%. So the assumption would be the higher waiting times between the ride request and the ride accepted times. So also this may lead to the dissatisfaction of the driver behavior, and also it is also regard to the price concerns, price transparencies like surcharges and everything. And we have to investigate and research what are the factors affecting the overall ride experience. And also the recommendations would be we have to get frequent feedback from the users, and we have to evaluate driver ratings as well, and conducting post ride surveys is beneficial for overcome this issue. And I have also noticed that the is review stage, the most of the users are very reluctant to give their reviews for the app, and we have to encourage them to give their reviews and communicate to us about our service and drivers behavior through this review stage. And let's move to the right level funnel. For the right level funnel, the most of the stages have a good conversion rate, and but there is a significant drop in ride accepted stage. So the reasons would be issues with the user interface. Mainly issues would be the user interface, and also pricing or availability that might discourage drivers from accepting requests. We have to investigate those things. And as for the recommendation, I would recommend drive to give some kind of incentive or compensation or bonus to drivers to encourage them to accept ride request from users. And also we can give him some kind of training for them as well. And another important thing is we can see the drop off in payment stage. So we have to investigate why is that there is a drop off. So we have to investigate the entire payment process and payment methods, and also the security concerns, errors in if there is any errors in payment system. And it might be and it might be end of the it might be and it might be also related to the users as well. So as I said earlier, review for increase the conversion rate for reviews, we should encourage users to give provide reviews for them. And also the second business question is about Metrocar currently supports three different platforms: iOS, Android, and web. And we have to recommend where to focus our marketing budget for upcoming year, which platform to allocate our marketing budget. When we analyze the data, we concluded that iPhone users, iOS users, that platform showed the highest number of downloads with this much. And it is recommended to allocate significant portion of our marketing budget to uh, target iPhone users through the campaign on the Apple Store and social media platforms and other channels that reach the iOS users. So, and the second place goes to the Android users. We can also allocate some kind of budget to them as well. As I said earlier, for their for Google App Stores and social media platforms, we can do separate campaign programs. And least downloads are seen in the web uh, web platform, and we have to investigate why is that, and we can also do a kind of marketing campaign for increase this number. And the third business question is about what age group perform best at each stage of the funnel. So we identified that when we analyze the age groups, the uh, 35 to 44 age group had the has shown the greatest interest in download the app. And this second place uh, goes to the 45 to 54, and also uh, 25 to 34 age groups. Uh, so um, as for the recommendations, the target marketing can be done to this specific 35 to 54 age group. And the retention can be retention strategies can be done for 45 to 54 age categories. Also 25 to 34 age categories. These are the most working personnel in our age category. And price optimization can be done for the age category of 18 to 24. These are the young adults that they might have affordability and price concerns. So price optimization would be best strategy for this age group. And the fourth business question is about if you want to adopt a price surging strategy, what does the distribution of ride requests look like throughout the day? So to analyze that particular business question, as you can see in here, the number of ride requests in the particular hour of the day is very higher in uh, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., the morning peak hour. And also next highest hours were like 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So these are the peak hours in the day. So we can implement our uh, this price surging strategy for these peak hours, because these are the demanding hours, and we can implement this strategy for these hours. So for the last question, what part of our funnel has the lowest conversion rate and how to improve it? As I said earlier, for user granularity, the most significant and the critical drop-off can be seen in the right completed stage. So to recommend to improve this conversion rate, I recommend optimize the user experience, and um, also increase the driver availability and higher responses for user ride requests, and also build the clear communication between passengers and drivers, also the uh, app builders, and also some kind of give some kind of incentive for completion of ride requests, and prompt support and issue resolution would be recommended, and also gathering frequent user feedback is very important to mitigate these kind of issues. And for right level, so the critical stage was the right accepted stage. So to increase the driver acceptance, we have to increase driver availability, and to in order to do that, we have to give some kind of incentive schema for them, and also we have to introduce some kind of dynamic pricing strategy, like surge pricing, which is in demanding peak hours, and also we can implement driver user matching algorithm, effective driver user matching algorithms for our app. So this is about the all of the 5 questions, and I hope that this is very intuitive to you all. And thank you so much giving me this opportunity. And have a nice day to you all. Thank you.